Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Challenger fuel cap. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and cool to the touch, which is crucial for safety. Gather your replacement fuel cap and any tools you might need, such as a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic trim removal tool. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. To remove the old fuel cap, begin by opening the fuel door and unscrewing the gas cap itself. Next, you'll need to access the back of the fuel door assembly. Carefully peel back the inner fender liner in the rear wheel well to expose the retaining clips. There are typically 4 clips that you'll need to depress from behind to release the entire assembly. This might require a bit of force. Now, let's install your new fuel cap. First, transfer your existing gas cap to the new fuel door assembly, ensuring it's securely attached. Then, carefully align the new fuel door assembly with the opening on your Challenger. Push it firmly into place until you hear the clip snap, indicating it's secure. Double-check that the rubber grommet is properly seated around the fuel filler tube for a tight seal. Finally, give the new cap a few turns to ensure it's securely fastened, and then close the fuel door. Take your Challenger for a short drive and check your dashboard for any warning lights, especially the check engine light, which could indicate a loose cap. Remember to stay hydrated throughout your day, and for a great way to do that, check out the O-Ala water bottle link in the description, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.